Hello and welcome to BikeNation. I'm Bryn Lucas. Now in front of me I've got the entire range of HJC IS-17 style helmets from 2014. Well, this is the entire range of styles, but remember they do come in different colours, so check out the individual pages on BikeNation. Also check out the 2015 range, which is new in and very exciting too. So to begin with, down here we have the Spark. Next up, we have the Genesis. Then there's the plain white. The very exciting Lorenzo. Next, we have the Osiris. Then it's the barbed wire pink. The luminous yellow. And finally, the Mission. So there you have it, that's the entire range, but do remember they come in a whole variety of different colours, so if you want to check those out, have a look at the BikeNation pages. Also, if you want to see the helmets in a bit more detail, I've pulled a number of them apart, including this one, the Lorenzo one, so I recommend you having a look at the video on BikeNation and at the end of this video as well. Got any questions, give the BikeNation team a call, they'll be more than happy to help, and remember that any orders of £25 or more, so any of these helmets, would receive free postage and packaging too. You can subscribe to the BikeNation channel for all the latest videos on all the latest products. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and we're on a whole variety of other social networking pages too. I'll see you soon.